Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Henry Simon. Today I'm gonna share a video about Tableau capability. So one of our partner want to see a demo about the Tableau workflow capability, so I'm gonna show that. Okay, first I already have a Tableau server installed. So this is a website in my laptop. Before we create the workflow or report, let me show you about the user. I already have two user. I already set up the email also. So one is admin@gmail.com and the other is Simon@gmail.com. So later this email will be the notification if I to send an email. So right now let's try to create a workbook first. This workbook is just a starter to ask Simon to fill up his KPI. So I create a story first. In this story, I will tell, please fill up the KPI. So I save this report. I call it testing. But password maybe if it have password. Okay, I can just close. Then I can open up the report. And in here, I can comment and mentioning someone, and the server will automatically email to him. Please fill up this KPI report. I'm using an ad, and it will show a list of user to Simon. I post, and then later on I can see in the email I have set up an email. Okay, this is a new email. So this is the old one. So admin mention you in comment. Sorry on testing. Please fill up this KPI report. And you can also directly click. Of course, this is if you are working in the same network, yeah. You can click and will open up. But since I'm using a same Chrome, so this will be the same user admin, yeah. So I need to log out. But if you are Simon in a different computer, it will use your username. Okay, let me close. Let me delete this. Okay. So later, let me log out. Let me sign in as Simon. Okay, never. Then I can open up as Simon. This is S. Check the story and view the comment. Oh, okay. So from here I can edit the report, yeah. I can edit the workbook and I can add a data source. But let me show you another feature that is called Tableau Prep. Tableau Prep has a feature to create an ETL. Let me show you the Tableau Prep. Sorry. Okay, this tool is called Tableau Prep. Is a ETL tool. So you can create a flow, and then you can publish this flow to the server, so that the flow can be scheduled in the server. We already have a sample flow that is Superstore. You can see in here. It's quite simple, but it shows all the features. Yeah? You can see remove null, fix data type. You can see the detail in here, down here. You can see in here. You can filter the value, and then you can add anything if you want. This is a rename state. You can then join all of the data source, do an inner right join and cleansing and so on. So this feature you won't need ETL tools like previously like Pentaho. You can just use the Tableau Prep and Tableau Desktop for the creator, and then you can publish this flow or the report to the server, and then other user can view. Okay, let me show you how I create a new flow here. First I connect to data. Let's say I've connect to SQL Server ya. So I have the option. I put the server IP. I put on the database name and the username and password. Okay, this is the list of the table. I want to see a KPI report, let's say. Then from this KPI, let's say I want to do a calculation. See, add clean step. Let's say I want to change this name. I create a new calculated field. The calculated field using a formula ya. I have already created the formula. This is it's pretty good ya. It can show the column name. Let's say else what? It show the column name. Let's say I am one other column. I also show. Okay. Then I can apply. I can see the calculation is valid. I can set the name. Let's say this is the new name. Okay, I can save. And then it will be added in here, and I can also drag to move. Let's say I want it to be in the last column. And then I can, let's say after this, I want to output to Tableau server. So you can save the output to file or publish data source as a data source. And you can use the data source as a server. This is a Tableau server. I can select a project. I can set the name, output. Let's say I put 1. Test. I can run the flow. Okay. Okay. After I run the flow, it will show in here as a data source. I can see the data in here ya. Where is it? Yeah, you can see this is the new name. And also in here I can also publish the flow. In here I can also go to server and publish flow. So let's call it flow 1 ya. I can publish. Okay, after I publish, then it will be shown in here. The flow, you can create a test to schedule it. It already have a list of schedule in here, run flow, first of the month, weekday, and so on. You can choose and create the task. You can manage the schedule in here ya. This is the pre-built schedule. Every end of month, Monday morning, every night, and so on. You can also create new schedule, something like this. So anyway, I've uploaded the data using an ETL a flow ya. So later on I can submit this KPI. I can see the content, I can see the default, I can see the testing, sheet 1, let's say. Sorry, where is it? Okay, sorry. So basically, you go to here default testing, and then you click edit workbook. If you click this, then it means you just want to view. If you want to edit, you click here, and then I'm gonna add the data source that I execute previously using ETL. Okay, so data, you click here. new data source, and I can use a connector, and I can choose on the side. It means it is on the Tableau server. Yeah, this is the output one that I loaded previously as a data source. So I add this data source, and then it immediately show in here like the new name. Let's say I want to add all of this to the row. It's take a while. Okay, it shows, and then I can see the measure in here. Yeah, it's immediately show. I can also remove the employee. Nice, like this. I can also change to, let's say, like this graphic, maybe like this. Yeah, this is just a simple demo. Anyway, I have uploaded my KPI, and then I want to edit in the story. So I add this sheet one into here. Okay, to add the sheet, you can right click in here and replace story point. So you add this and then you can save. Okay, and then I can close, and then I can view the story again. Oh, sorry. I think I mistakenly using an admin. Let me sign out again. I sign in as Simon. Okay, anyway, I can see the testing, the story, and I can see the comment. So anyway, this is Simon. I already filled the story, and then I will say to the admin, "Hi admin, please check like in here. After receiving notification, you view, modify, and upload the document, and then you can notify the admin. Is it okay or not? Please check the document. Is it okay? Add admin." So I can just let me check the mail trap. Yeah, it's empty right now. Where is it? Oh, okay. So I pause here. Okay, this like here, and I can see that mention in comment on story one from Simon to admin, ya kan? So then I can just click here, but I may need to log out. Yeah, you can see the name admin Simon. So in here I may need to log out and log in as admin. Can go here, go to testing, and then I can just say, and I view that he has filled his KPI in here, and I can say, okay, the report looks good. So I don't need to mention any more name because I already satisfied with this report, so I don't have to put an add, mention someone else. I just said it's finished, that's it, admin. So and here you can see it as a story. Okay, that is just a simple demo of a Tableau server and also the capability of Tableau Prep. Yeah, in here you can also create an ETL tools in here and publish the flow into Tableau, and you can schedule it. You can view it as a flow. You can. Okay, thank you. Hope this is clear to you, but the capability of a Tableau as a workflow, a simple workflow lah. It's not a complicated workflow. Just you mention someone and he will get the notification and he will update as needed. It can only it can be multiple times, yeah, not only once. Maybe you TikTok with him 2 times, 3 times. After you're satisfied, yeah, you don't have to mention him anymore. Okay, thank you.